Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're back in Rollercoin. We're going to be checking out how the account has changed, how the weekly offers are working out, and we're going to be doing a withdrawal as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Rollercoin account, and obviously those of you that have those eagle eyes might well have noticed a few things have changed. So the first big thing that has changed, in the last video that we did, we were at over 21 petahashes. Now obviously what has changed there is that finally the 3 petahashes that we earned through the event pass, they have all gone. So my account dropped down. We did drop down to about 151st, 152nd place in the leaderboard. You can see we're back up to about 148, and that is simply because these weekly offers are working much better for everyone around the globe, because it means now they've changed from daily offers to the weekly offers that people like myself that were asleep when they were releasing the daily offers can now actually have a chance at picking up some of these limited miners that they are putting on those weekly offers. You'll notice as well, I mean, obviously at the moment we're still in the double BTC weekly block reward, the double block reward the Rollercoin have done for BTC. And even though I've dropped down, I'm still earning 50 sats every 10 minutes. So, I mean, that's 100 sats every 20 minutes. You know, at the end of the day, I'm not grumbling about that. I'm quite happy. At the end, you know, I don't really have to do anything with my account now, so I am very lucky in that sense. And like I say, 50 sats every 10 minutes for not doing a whole lot is I'm quite happy with that. So the weekly offers, as we talked about in the last video, that is this, and every week they put 3 new miners up here now that you can purchase that will add to your total overall power bonus. Now we've only got 2 days, 14 hours and 14 minutes left before the next 3 are listed. So make sure you get those RLT building up in your account and you are ready for the new listing of these limited miners. Now, I know a lot of people have been saying that they feel the reason why Rollercoin are doing these weekly offers and even possibly bringing in the marketplace is simply to keep us reinvesting, keeping all the money in the program, but building up their overall power, all those kind of stuff. So, you know, essentially it's all for Rollercoin's benefit. Even if that is the case, this is where you have to be a little bit clever and just a little bit sort of, I don't know, sensible about things. You know, basically what my plan is, if we go back here and we dive into collections, I have mentioned this in other videos. My plan is simply to get one, no more, but one of every one of these miners, getting those extra bonus percentages. And once that is done, obviously this one we can't get, it's no longer available. But once I've filled in all of these, then that is it. That is all I will be reinvesting. And like if I get in the position where I've got enough RLT in the bank anyway, and I don't need to reinvest coins I've built up, I will just then withdraw them. But as soon as I have, I say, filled in all these sort of windows and blank spots that I have at the moment, that's it. That's all I will be reinvesting in and using those weekly offers for. And then that is it. Then I'll go back to mining my BTC 80% and RLT 20%. And at that, before all of these weekly offers started, what I was being able to make withdrawals 3 to 4 times a month. So that's 300 to 400,000 Satoshis every single month. And like I say, that's where you just don't get yourself sort of sucked into this constantly reinvesting. As it's great to do. It's great to see your account build up and those numbers get bigger and bigger. I totally understand that, but it's absolutely no use whatsoever if you are not getting those coins out and into your wallets, because, as I always say, nothing is 100% guaranteed. So anything can change. Any program can finish at any moment. So always be trying to make withdrawals and, getting some of that investment out, as well as building up your account. You've got to get this, you've got to get that balance. You want to be building your account, but at the same time, you want to be withdrawing as well. Just in case something does go wrong, at least you can look at it and say, okay, I got 70% of my investment back, or I got all of my investment back and I made a little bit of profit as well. That is basically what you are aiming for with these programs. You can see this total bonus of mine is building. In the last video, which was, a week ago or so that I did, we were at 41% of a total power bonus. We're now at 47% because in the most recent weekly offer, I picked up the Sunset City, which gives you 95,000 gigahash. I picked up the Underwater, which also gives you 95,000 gigahash. And I picked up the Retro Night, which also gives you 95 gigahash. But the most important thing is that each one adds 2% to that total power bonus. The extra 1% came from the CP, whatever that is. What is it? CP 600 or whatever. That gives you 1%. And in total, over the last 2 weeks, or the last 2 weekly offers, these are the 4 limited miners I have managed to pick up. And like I say, because now they're doing these weekly offers, rather than limiting it to 100 or 200 miners per day, they're now putting up to like 500 plus miners over the week. So it just gives everybody that bit more time to log in, grab a few of these limited miners, push up that bonus, which boosts your account, which then boosts your accumulation of coins, which then also speeds up your withdrawals. Now, normally with these double block rewards that have been going on, when we had the original BTC, the original Ethereum, and the original Doge, basically what I'd been doing was converting all of those into RLT. Now, my RLT, even after purchasing these 4 miners, or definitely the last 3, I think we were over 200 RLT. We were about 210 or something RLT before I purchased these. We're now down to 143, but that's 143. So as far as I'm concerned, I don't need to exchange this into RLT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a withdrawal of 103,000 Satoshis to my external wallet. So let's go and do that. And for those of you that are not familiar with what Rollercoin is about, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier review. Now that's going to give you more details and a better understanding of what you need to be doing to be getting your account up and running and getting some of that free crypto. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So the first thing we'll do is we click on wallet, then we click on our Bitcoin, we click on withdraw, we put in our wallet, which I've pre-copied, click confirm, and then we type in the amount that we want. So 0.00103. As I always do in my other videos, I will do here. The little bit of change I always leave. I like to just sort of round it up to the main number. Then what we'll do is we then click confirm. And then it tells us that, again, like in the recent video to see we did for CMG, they Rollercoin send you a confirmation link to your email address. Now, if you do not click on this confirmation email address, or email to you, should I say, that withdrawal will just get cancelled and bounced back to your account, and then you'll just have to do the withdrawal all over again. So make sure that you are doing and going into your email account and clicking on that confirmation. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so once you enter into your email account and you click on your email in the list, this is basically what you'll see. And all you need to be doing is clicking on this confirm withdrawal. Now, as I mentioned in the CMG video, and as I've mentioned in every single Rollercoin video, whenever I do a withdrawal, it's always best to make sure that you are already logged into your Rollercoin account before you click the confirm withdrawal. Because basically what that will do, that will open another window with your account in it. If you are not logged in to your account, sometimes this can cause issues, and it either means that you then have to log into your account, then come back and click on the withdrawal link again, or sometimes because you've already clicked on the withdrawal link, that won't work. So then you've got to wait for the withdrawal to be cancelled. So then you can do the withdrawal again and then click on the confirm withdrawal link while being logged in. And obviously you don't want all that hassle and messing around. So like I say, the best thing to do is make sure you are already logged into your Rollercoin account before clicking on this link. Because as you can see, when you click on the link, it goes straight to your account and gives you that confirmation that your withdrawal has been accepted and you should receive it in 1 to 3 days. And then all you've got to do is close down the previous tab, and then you can just go to continue working in your account, whether you want to play the games or whatever you want to do after. So from my point of view, I definitely say that these changing from the daily offers to the weekly offers has definitely been a success. Like I say, I can only say from my perspective, but it has allowed me to purchase these 4 limited miners, where with the daily offers, which were going on for weeks, I was unable to claim even 1 miner. So now these are on weeklies, gives everybody a much better chance at claiming them. As you can see, I've managed to push up my overall power total by 7%. We've only got a couple of days, or just over a couple of days, before the next lot of weekly offers, which hopefully there will be some limited miners in there which I haven't already purchased, which I can. And then obviously that will then push up that bonus power even higher. So, you know, I do think that Rollercoin are trying their best to basically create a program that is free, that is fair to everyone. Obviously, with a lower account, it's, I guess, always gonna look like, and it does in many cases, and they have done it in many cases, that a lot of these things that Rollercoin do sort of seem to lean towards members with bigger accounts. And I'm not, I'm not one for that, even though my account is bigger than a lot of people's. I want the platform to be as fair as possible for everybody. And I do think with some of these things that they're altering, like the weekly offers and other stuff, which is giving more opportunities to members building their accounts and stuff like that. And also, because also as well, you've got to realize that the weekly offers, the price that they are giving you the miners at, is actually a lot lower than they would be if you just bought them from the shop. And I definitely think that they will be lower than what you'll get them on the marketplace. Remember, we have this marketplace coming hopefully soon, maybe at the end of this month. I know I've spoke to a lot of people that seem to be sort of building up reserves of these limited miners to put onto the marketplace, and I will pretty much guarantee the prices that they will be selling them at are going to be higher than what you can purchase them at the moment on the weekly offers. Because at the end of the day, people are building up these reserves with the idea of making a profit, which is totally acceptable and a good idea, but to make a profit, you got to be charging more than you're purchasing. So like I say, if you do have a slightly lower account, any of these miners you can purchase from these weekly special offers at the moment, you're probably going to be getting them cheaper than you will find them in the marketplace. So just bear that in mind. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.